Floral motifs have a timeless appeal, and when repeated properly, they can create elegant, professional designs for a wide range of projects. How to create floral, seamless patterns. Open Photoshop and create a square canvas of around 1,500 pixels. Then use the brush or pen tool to draw detailed flowers and leaves, arranging them loosely in the center to avoid touching edges. Activate Filter, Other, Offset, and shift half the canvas width and height to reveal seams. Adjust elements using the Move tool, Clone Stamp, or Eraser to eliminate harsh lines. Organize layers for flowers, leaves, and accents to maintain